Hi, I'm Mr. Franklin, and this is the explanation video for textbook time. We are going to ask you to read a digital textbook this year. There may be some paper texts once we go back to class in person, but until that point, they will all be digital. So our purpose is to learn how to read a science text to reinforce and learn concepts in physics. As a result of doing this, you should learn some physics. You should learn how to read a physics text. You should also learn how to use a textbook, whether it's digital or on paper. So those are our goals for you with a textbook time assignment. Our expectations. We expect you to actually read the text. We expect you to refer to it often. Take notes on the text. We're going to talk more in detail about that in a second, but you're actually going to take notes on the text. Eventually, we're going to learn how to annotate the text with digital tools. You should be reading graphs, charts, and pictures. So the pictures aren't there just to make the textbook look pretty. They're generally there to emphasize a point or to explain something that might be hard to understand. So you need to read all of those. At the end of the textbook time assignment, your teacher's going to have a set of questions that you need to answer based on the text. And this is just to show that you've processed the text and gained information from the text that we need you to get. What this assignment is not, it is not just like reading a novel. Any good reader will tell you that, like when I read a fiction book, I don't read every word that's on the page because I read fast enough that my brain filters out words that are useless, and I can read pretty fast. You can't do that with the science text. If you leave out the word vector in a sentence on a science text, you just miss something really important. So you can't skip over words. Every word might change the meaning of what the text is trying to say. So you have to pay attention to all of it, which is what makes it difficult. It is not, I'm just going to go down to the end and answer the questions, because your test is going to involve more than just the questions we're going to ask. So you need to process the entire text. It is not, I'm just going to read it. You've got to do the work with the text. Some of it at the beginning is going to seem a little too simple, but that's so that we can teach you the techniques and tools you need before we start jumping into text that is going to require everyone to do some thinking and some work. To start off with is, I'm going to give you a text, you're going to read it, take notes on it, and then you're going to answer the questions at the end. That's how we're going to start, and later I will show you how to do those other processes. All right, if you have any questions, please contact your teacher, and have a good day.